Hello everyone, welcome to my channel JG Edu Center. Today we are going to continue with class 7 chapter 10 respiration in organism. So in the last video lecture we have talked about the two types of respiration, namely aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. In this video lecture we are going to talk about the differences between these two types of respiration. So we are going to do the differences in a tabular manner. So here is the table for the same. So let us discuss the differences now. First parameter which we are going to take is presence of oxygen. Presence of oxygen. So on the basis of whether presence of oxygen is required or not, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration can be differentiated as. In aerobic respiration, we will write the point that it takes place in the presence of oxygen. And in anaerobic respiration, we are going to write that it takes place in the absence of oxygen. So this is the first difference based on whether oxygen is required or not. Second parameter is on the basis of breakdown of food. How the food is going to break down. That means we are going to talk about whether complete breakdown of food takes place or incomplete breakdown of food takes place. So in aerobic respiration, complete breakdown of glucose takes place. Complete breakdown of food or glucose. And here in anaerobic respiration, incomplete or partial breakdown of food. Incomplete or partial breakdown of food. Now the third point is on the basis of end products. What will be the end products? So in aerobic respiration, complete breakdown of food takes place and hence the end products are carbon dioxide and water. CO2 and water are the end products. Whereas in case of anaerobic respiration, incomplete breakdown of food takes place and thus the products are alcohol and carbon dioxide. Now next point is on the basis of amount of energy released. Amount of energy released. So in aerobic respiration, large amount of energy is released. And in anaerobic respiration, very less amount of energy is released. So these were the important differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. First is on the basis of presence of oxygen. So in aerobic respiration, oxygen is required and in anaerobic respiration, oxygen is not required. Second is on the basis of breakdown of food. So here complete breakdown of food takes place in aerobic respiration and in anaerobic respiration, incomplete or partial breakdown of food takes place. Third point is regarding the end products. So in aerobic respiration, the end products are carbon dioxide and water. And in anaerobic respiration, the end products are alcohol and carbon dioxide. And the last point is on the basis of energy released. So in aerobic respiration, large amount of energy is released, and in anaerobic respiration, very small amount of energy is released. So that's all in today's video. In the next video, we are going to talk about how anaerobic respiration occurs in human muscle cells. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel.